Winter season means dry hair, dry skin, chapped lips, so many problems at a time. But trust me guys, be with me, there are some simple home remedies which can solve all your problems. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and this is a brand new video of mine as you know, and in today's video I'm going to talk about a face pack which is going to help you a lot in this winter season, and whoever is having dry skin, that person can try this face pack, at any time, at any season. And not only this, today I'm going to talk about other uses of coconut oil. I think this video is going to be very helpful for you guys, so just keep on watching. Guys, if you have a dry hair, damaged dry hair, that time you can use coconut oil with honey. It is a great savior. Now how to use it, I'm going to tell you that it is 2:1 proportion, means 2 tablespoons of coconut oil if you are taking, then 1 tablespoon of honey. Now according to your hair length, you have to put everything on your hair and then tie a knot on your hair and keep it for at least 15 minutes. Let everything set in your hair, then wash your hair with a mild shampoo. I have already reviewed a lot of shampoo. If you like anything of your own also, you can just use it. And if you want to know what kinds of shampoo I like, you have to check my that hair care videos. Now guys, winter is around the corner. That means we will be having dandruff, and that is quite natural, right? So again I'm telling you that with this coconut oil, this is a lemon in my hand as you can see, and this lemon is quite big. If I talk about my hair, then I will take half this lemon, okay, half of this lemon, cut the lemon into 2 pieces and take one half, and I will take, I think, 2.5 tablespoons of this max virgin coconut oil, and then I'm going to massage my hair very nicely. You have to do the same, and then I'll keep my hair like that for 20 or 25 minutes, just depending upon one thing. If you Now guys, for hair damage and repair, I have already told you one remedy, but those who think that honey is not good for your hair, it is not like that. If you just google it, you will come to know honey is having a lot of antioxidant properties, which is good for our skin as well as for our hair. But in any case you have doubts, so what you can do with this coconut oil, you can just mix one egg, okay, and according to your hair, now you have to put I will be taking, if I'm talking about my hair, I will be requiring the full egg, okay, and yes, then again 3 tablespoons of this coconut oil I will be using. I'll mixing it very well, and then I will be applying it, and again I will be leaving it for at least 20 or 30 minutes, depending, I do not keep things more than 30 minutes because I catch a cold. But if you can, then till 40 minutes if you can keep this, and then just tie your hair properly. You can use a shower cap so that nothing falls, and you will feel clean also by that, and this is surely going to repair your hair damage, that I can tell you. Now guys, as it is winter season, yes, I am giving you a lot of remedies, home remedies, but you need to know your body, know your immune system very well. If you are a person who catches cold very easily, then I will suggest you, do not put anything more than 10 to 15 minutes. Let that work within, these ingredients work within this period only, because don't cause harm to yourself, because you are knowing yourself better than me. It happens with me also. I can't keep anything on my face or anything on my hair for a long time because I catch a cold very easily. So just remember this and apply whatever you want to apply, but do take care of yourself because you are important. To make this face mask, you will be requiring honey. I have taken here Dabur Honey. You can use any honey of your own choice. Now the next thing is, I will be using here virgin coconut oil, and it is 100% natural and cold pressed coconut oil. It's from Max Care. And if you want a detailed review of this product, I will put the link up there and you can just go through that if you wish to. Now, this mask is really good if you're having dry skin. If you're not having dry skin but in winter your skin feels dry, it can happen with anyone. That time you need to try out this mask. It is really a boon for people who are having dry skin, and it's really a boon for those people who are suffering from dry skin. To make this mask, I have used 1 cap of extra virgin cold pressed coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of honey. Before applying the mask, I'm just wiping my face with lukewarm water so that my pores will open and the mask will work in a better way. As the mask is ready, I'm going to apply this on my face. Just want to tell you something that you can apply it under the eye areas also. Now, as we all know that honey has a lot of antioxidant properties, and virgin coconut oil is very good for our skin. So if you wish, you can apply this mask thrice a week. No harm is there. 15 minutes is over. Now I have some lukewarm water again with me. Okay, and I'm going to wipe my face with this towel. Just see to it the water shouldn't be too warm because I have used honey, so I am using lukewarm water. This is a very good moisturizer if you have dry skin, or if you are suffering from dry skin due to this winter. Try this. You will feel the difference in your skin. Obviously, if you have time, you can use it in your hands and legs. You have to spend little money on that because you will be using coconut oil and honey. So yeah, this is it. Well moisturized. You can see this. Now this shininess will settle down within 15 to 20 minutes. Guys, if you have liked this video of mine, if you think that it is possible to make your skin supple and glowing this winter also, and this pack is going to work, then don't forget to drop a like, share and subscribe. Obviously sharing is caring. So if you are knowing something good and if you are sharing the benefits with your friends and family, you are doing something good and it is helping me other ways also. Now with this note, till my next video comes, tata, take care, bye bye.